Hello everyone, my name is Manushree. I am studying 9th class in Mathman High School, Vijayawada. I am here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 23rd July 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are limits of cooperation and in search of gold. Today we'll discuss the second topic from our editorial page in our today's video. So before getting into our topic, let's have a small look on this first topic given. Limits of cooperation. Reforms in cooperative sector should not to be a cost of federal principles. Means the cooperative sectors which were there, they should not go against of the cost that was to be to the federal principles. Okay, means the cooperative movement, it has some certain needs and reforms like revitalization. Okay, revitalization, it means reinvigorate or strengthen or fortify, okay, or even encourage. So they shouldn't be in such a way. And when coming to the political interference, so many of the corporate societies had on this election regularly, and some of them were also suppressed like frequently. So the 97th constitution amendment, which has came into the effect in the year of 2012, it was a major step that was towards the autonomy and the democratic functioning, and also for the professional management. Or this amendment also can be added to the part like 9b to the constitution, where all the cooperative societies will be concerning, means saying their problems or discussing their hurts. Okay, so everything. So recently Supreme Court, they have also kept a holding for this amendment, and to go to and some extent which is applied to all the cooperative societies where all were under the rule or under the control of the states, where like even the well intentioned efforts were taken as a cost like of the federal principles under some of the constitutions. Okay, so this is all about the first topic, like limits of the corporation. Okay, so well, let's get into our today's topic. In search of gold. The Olympic Games remain the greatest sporting event for fans and athletes alike. See, here the meaning of the word alike. So alike, it means similar, identical, just the same. Alike means similar, identical, or just the same. Well, so the Olympic Games, so the Tokyo Indian Olympics Games has started, right, for all the men and women. So this is according to the Olympic Games, this topic. So the Olympic Games, they have remained, means like the super sporting events for all the fans and all the athletes similarly, means same. Okay, a medal can lose its luster, but the athlete's sporting immortality is set in stone. Such is the enduring allure of triumphs at the Olympics. Even a participant without any titles is referred to as an Olympian, and it is an internal stamp that sports persons obsess about. The quadrennial congregation of the world's finest athletes is set to begin after a year's delay imposed by the pandemic's shadow. Tokyo 2020, as the Olympics is branded for the latest edition, will commence at Japan's capital on Friday while COVID-19 protocols are in place. Tokyo and Fukushima will conduct events without spectators, while a limited number may be allowed at stadiums in the Miyagi and Shizuoka regions. Okay, so see here the meaning of the word luster. Okay, well, let's see the meanings in this para. Until now, where we read. Luster. It means radiance, sheen, gloss, shine, glory, gleaming, glossy. Okay, luster means radiance, sheen, gloss, shine, glory, glossy, or gleaming. Immortality. It means perpetuity, eternity, timelessness. Immortality means perpetuity, eternity, timelessness. Allure. Lure, entice, tempt, bait. Or okay, allure, it means lure, entice, tempt, or bait. Eternal, endless, overlasting, underdying. Obsess, preoccupy, engross, or fascination. Okay. Well, so if the medal can be loose, it is the failure of the athletes, but the athletes also that was participating in the no time in the stone, means there's no time, and this allure means this time it is for the Olympics, at the Olympics, and even every participant without any titles, they were referred to be an Olympian, and they were to be stamped as a sports person. Okay, so the quadrennial means the world's finest athletes has also said to be begin. After the year delay, means last year has to conduct due to COVID-19, this a year has been delayed. So now they are conducting the games, competitions. So the Tokyo 2020 as this Olympics is branded for the latest edition with the start of Japan's capital on Friday, while the COVID-19 protocols were taken in the place. Even in Tokyo and Fukushima will conduct these events without any spectators, while the limited number may be allowed, means the limited number of people, means if everyone came again there will be more safeties, right? We cannot, as we have to maintain the distance. So only a particular or the limited number of people may be allowed at the stadiums in the Miyagi and in the Shizuoka regions. Local approval ratings for the games now stand at the halfway mark, a considerable improvement especially after an 83% opposition as recent as May, having previously hosted the Olympics in 1964. Tokyo's second dalliance with the Premier Championship has been extremely tough. Even 2 days ago, there were whispers of cancellation as the coronavirus graph linked to the games and to Japan revealed the upward climb within the Olympics village ecosystem of the athletes, coaches, officials, and volunteers. Around 70 have tested positive for the COVID-19, but the Olympics, harking back to its Athens roots in 1896, is expected to hold steady till its conclusion on August 8th. Okay, see, dalliance, it means a casual denouement, okay, or it is also known as the involvement, like casual involvement with something, or temporary. Hark back, it means flashback, retrogress, return. Flashback, retrogress, return, or nostalgia. When it comes to winning at the Olympics, the United States of America, Russia, China, European nations, and Australia have excelled. India, meanwhile, has a mere 28 medals to show despite turning up since 1900. See here, mere means nearly, or Okay, nearly, or we can also say simple, basic, or trifling, or only. Okay, only 28 medals. Okay, to go to the to go in the turning point of this year since 1900. India's initial share came from hockey, but even that tap has run dry since the gold at Moscow in 1980. India's stills in the Olympics have often been infused with pathos. Legendary runners Milkha Singh and P.T. Usha missing their bronzes in 1960 and 1984 respectively still test the tear glands of die-hard fans. However, over the years and through diverse sports such as shooting, tennis, badminton, wrestling, boxing, and weightlifting, India has earned a few medals. This time around, the pursuit to better the best ever tally of 6 gained at London in 2012 continues. So Milkha Singh, we know, right, recently he has passed away due to COVID-19. Okay, he was sick and he went. See here the meaning of the word pathos. It means sadness, poignancy, emotion. Sadness, poignancy, or emotion. Well, headlined by PV Sindhu and Mary Kom. Besides the talent in shooting, weightlifting, and wrestling, India hopes to push its Olympic envelope further while the yearning for excellence in hockey lingers. A sobering truth is that the demographic dividend of being the second most populous nation does not really convert into a better yield in multi event justs. It is a pointer to the need to improve sports infrastructure as India at the Olympics remains a work in progress. An Olympic medal offers sporting nirvana. Even tennis legend Serbian Novak Djokovic is not immune to its charm. Okay, see, sobering, it means a simple. Okay, and jousts, it means compete. And yearning, it means desire, longing, craving, or want something badly. Desire, longing, craving. Okay, so this is our today's topic on limits of cooperation. Thank you.